Straw building in Slovakia started 20 years ago. Most of straw builders are members of NGO Artur, Sustainable Architecture. Artur brings together natural builders and straw builders, craftsmen and architects from all over our small Slovakia. Although we haven't managed to certify straw bales as building material, and we do not have straw building norms, we have built around 200 houses with different straw building techniques, most of them with building permission. Houses evolved from small self-builders houses to bigger family houses, and now there are several villas which prove to society that straw has a value. Boris Hochel, architect and carpenter, designs but also builds straw bale houses with all different techniques, even load-bearing or wrapping old houses. The value in his work is that the houses are modest and always respect genius loci. He uses traditional building techniques in modern houses. This is a recording studio for famous guitar players he designed together with his colleague Josef Frajka.
Straw is no longer just a material for small and cheap buildings. It allows you to create complex and stunning architecture for more demanding clients.
Daniel Marinica from architecture studio Createra is an architect who happened to design already 2 straw villas. Although this is a visualization, this villa is currently being built in Bratislava. The study was done by Plus Minus Architects. Marian Prejsa has designed many small straw projects, but the big project for the famous Slovak sportsman is finally being built.
I design straw buildings, and this is my newest project and the investment for the future.
Barbara participated on designing of 15 different straw projects, finishing them to the very details. Stanislav Vanik has already designed more than 20 straw bale houses. Works both in Slovakia and Czech Republic. So, as an architect, I design houses from straw bales, and recently I have designed houses mostly from straw prefabricated panels. My most favorite are small off-grid house for retired couple and round triangular house, which is interesting with its shape. Of course, the most important is that the family living in the house is happy and satisfied.
Hi, I'm an architect. I'm designing straw bale houses, and this year one of my houses was chosen to be part of the exhibition about wooden construction of wooden houses in Czech and Slovakia.
It is important for promoting straw that in the last few years other straw projects were also part of the Saloon of Wood Construction Houses.
I'm an architect teaching at the Faculty of Architecture and Design of the Slovak University of Technology in Bratislava. For 3 decades we have the Department of Ecological and Experimental Design, and in my subjects I teach their straw bale building technologies, and I believe that our students will be able to use straw bale building in their practice.
Using prefabricated panels in Slovakia helped a lot to develop quality of other straw bale constructions. Like this, the craftsmen learned about airtightness and good detailing.
I'm a natural builder, and I can build with my partners good quality passive house from straw bales.
And here is Marek presenting how they built a passive straw bale house, the airtightness and preparation for the windows. We are lucky to have a passive house window producer who uses sheep wool when mounting the windows and can provide also blower door test in our straw houses.
We work as a cooperative of craftsmen with the name Healthy Living. Together we can build the whole straw bale house from foundation to the interior.
As Marek mentioned, his cooperative of craftsmen called Zdravé domy can offer complete straw house. They also deal with retrofitting of old houses, and recently they are offering tiny houses. In Middle Slovakia there is a company, Revolution. They have built several straw houses even in passive standard. Roman Kupec, craftsman, established a company, Si Prírodou. They provide infill with straw bales, earth plastering, and also partitions filled with light straw. Michal Pončák and his partners are from East Slovakia. They build straw houses with passion and with a lot of creative details. Jožko Michalik is an experienced straw builder. He created his own building company Letokruh. At the moment he is evolving from building single houses to development of more houses. He is preparing to do the works efficiently. He has his own big sewing machines for wood, earth excavator, big sieving machines for earth and plastering.
Hi there. Letokruh is able to make whole straw bale houses, from projects to complete realizations. Many people were attracted through the workshops. So it's not just about us, it's about you too. As an example, thanks to the village and to the nice people of Zince pod Javorinou, we wish to create a small eco-village on this beautiful place where people will have opportunity to see straw bale houses and many permaculture principles. So you are all invited to the workshop. Are you ready?
Company Organica is rather special. They try to work hard, but have fun too. They do workshops on the building site. This is a nice project of a shelter, which was nominated for a prestigious architectural award. Didn't get it though, but it was a good promo for straw and great project for community. Roman is saying that he has built several houses from prefab panels, but also from straw bales. And he is trying to find alternative ways of foundations to eliminate CO2 emissions. It bothers more straw builders that there is so much concrete in the foundations of otherwise low-carbon straw houses. We tried several times wooden ring beam on the foam glass in the South Slovakia, where is usually little snow. There is the know-how involved and, of course, structural engineers. Kratera is an innovative architectural studio building what they design. Architects work sometimes on building site to find out where and how to simplify the design.
At Kratera we have created a concept called system homes. They are small one-story homes that can be adapted to the needs of the client and the plot available, but use the same construction details and materials. This enables us to achieve custom designs, but simplify everything from cost estimation to know-how transfer on the building site.
I'm currently coordinating works on 7 single-family homes made from prefabricated straw panels. There's probably 6 more to come this year, and we have even developed some software tools to help us track and control some of the processes.
Edward is a designer, builder and carpenter.
Hello, welcome to my workshop. This is small carpentry built with Ecocom. This is one of the 5 houses we built last year.
When the construction is built and the airtightness is achieved, the owners can, if they want, finish their house themselves. If needed, Edward can design and make wooden interior or furniture. At the end, everything is about detailing. Lubica and Rado from company Arter are very skilled as many other earth plasterers in Slovakia.
We have plastered a lot of straw houses and we found our ways how to do nice details.
The straw bale dome was experiment in many ways. Last year it was the 10th anniversary and we are happy to see that the experiment works and there is no problem. On the contrary, we are very grateful to Gernot Minke, the author and the chief builder, who pushed our straw building forward. Even the friendship and partnership with Lithuanians producing prefab panels EcoCocon started with the dome. Since 2 years, EcoCocon has also Slovak investors.
We moved the headquarters to Slovakia, where we are developing a new automatic production line, while also keeping the production that we have in Lithuania.
Last and this year, 5 fire tests were carried out in Slovakia, where straw was tested with different surfaces and even without. All tests with good results. These tests allow to build several story houses and public buildings from prefab straw panels.
We participated in a social house scene competition, and now I am designing 2 factories and 1 family house.
Thanks to prefab panels, there are already 2 developers who liked the product and used them in their development project. This development project, called Manufaktura, is being prepared by company Imaging. Another developer, Denis Reňák, is saying that he knows that it would be easier and cheaper for him to use conventional materials. But he wants to do it differently. He doesn't want to use plastic and polystyrene. He is building the whole street from natural materials, straw, earth and wood. Straw building in Slovakia started in the village Zaježova. Now there is already 18 straw buildings and eco-center. In Slovakia there are other eco-friendly developments.
The fields and meadows under the high Tatras are changing their character. A completely new eco-village project is being created in Slovakia. The whole area is divided into 1 hectare plots of land. Each plot can host only 1 family house and additional buildings. The main idea is to create a sustainable settlement for young families with a vision of living and fulfilling life in the country. Each plot is organized according to the permaculture principles. A pavilion, nursery and community center are located in the center of the complex. The buildings have clay plaster and thatched roofs. First straw house made of the EcoBlock rainbow system in Slovakia was built in Krásne Sady. It stands on a steel screws, 100% renewable materials such as wood, highly compressed straw, clay and lime. This modular straw system is certified in Slovakia, but also for use throughout the European Union. The house is built in a fully ecological standard. With EcoBlocks, it takes about 10 days to build a bioclimatic house of a standard size. The roof panels are also filled with a pressed straw and carry a ventilated vegetative intensive roof. Designed by architect William Holeva, Slovakia, in collaboration with Raphael Petit, France, author of the Rainbow Ecosystem Modular System.
Artur brings together key actors of natural building. Artur also educates and raises awareness about straw building as a part of sustainable building. The step units of ESBG straw building were adapted to Slovak needs and accredited by Ministry of Education. Artur has been training in earth plastering and ESBG earth building for over 10 years now. It includes plastering on straw surfaces. Sometimes there are courses for professionals. 2 years ago, straw builders from Artur learned hybrid straw load-bearing technique with Bill and Athena Steen. Artur keeps the database and organizes Day of Open Straw Houses.
Every year I organize the Day of Open Straw Bale Houses, but this year we had to organize it online version and it was also really successful.
The presentations done by owners are now on YouTube. During the lockdown, Artur introduced free online presentations each Tuesday evening. It offered informal, pleasant way of learning. Raising of awareness about straw building is done with different activities, not only conferences and seminars, but also fun. Artur is also a publisher. Last year, members wrote a handbook for retrofitting of old houses. Straw insulation is part of the book. An important goal is the cooperation with schools and State Institute for Vocational Training. It is important to spread the training and introduce straw building into state schools to train young people. Young generation.
I was part of a project called Build Back Better in Albania, where together with experts in natural building from Czechia and Poland, we built a small pavilion as a workshop for the locals to share our knowledge and also to promote the local natural materials of Albania.